Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is October the 23rd. We are out here in Snellville, Georgia. I have a ride along with me today, one of my colleagues. Their little father in Georgia, he sent out one of his employees today, Knox. He actually been with me all morning. We went and did an in-home consultation in Conyers. They did pay for an in-home consultation. They had another company come in and not do such a good job on their floor, so they hired me to fix it. So what we're gonna be doing here, guys, this is for Miss Leanne. Miss Leanne actually had me come out about 2 or 3 weeks ago to do an in-home consultation. She's putting her house on the market. She had some other work done and had me come in last. This is why I do tell my clients, if you're gonna get the house painted, please schedule me when you know the painters are done, because she did have to reschedule because of the painter. So anyway, what we're gonna be doing here, guys, is 1,144 square feet, screen and recoat. We are in Snellville, Georgia, so we're not far from the shop. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going on this beautiful day. All right, guys, so we're in the subdivision. It was cool. I've actually done 3 houses on this same street further back. I did a house and they referred me to that neighbor, and then another person also used me for their floors, and they were all screen and recoats. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, since Knox was with me, I had Tavares come in this truck. Let me show you what we got going. She said, yeah, Courtney, if I don't have to sand the floors just to sell the house, that would be a better option. So let me show you what we got going. So these are our typical, okay, thank you, Miss Leanne. Yeah, just leave them right there. So these are red oak that you guys see us do a lot. We're gonna do a screening on these floors. And the floors are not bad, guys. Just need some good coating, but there are 3 things we'll want to take care of the best we can. Is this hole right here? That's a hole. What's up, puppies? Now in this case, they would replace that board, but we do have some fillers. Over here, she had a pet stain, and what we're going to do there is try to scrape that out as much as possible, which T is doing now. And then over here, she had the kitchen remodeled. And you can see these 3 bare wood areas. We're gonna add some amber seal to that. Ain't that right, puppies? And overall, guys, everything else is fine. Floors just have, you know, your typical wear and tear. So there's Knox right there. He's gonna be with us today. So you can see what T is doing. And we're gonna go ahead and start screening. Knox does know how to use a buffer, so that is good. What's up, puppies? All right, guys, so Miss Leanne just gave me the key. She said, Courtney, I'm about to leave. She's not coming back. She said, call me when you're done. Send me a few pictures. I get you paid and lock up. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Clay. Courtney riding through the street, showing Knox the way. Ain't no suit, ain't no tie, just boots and pride. We grind till the floor shine, that's all I got. That old truck humming, smell of wood and soul. Every job another story that the streets done told. Young Knox watching close, learning every move I make. Ain't no classroom lessons, just pressure and mistakes. We clean, we buff, we cold, we cure. When the UV light hit, that shine look pure. Courtney Lee been the name, never switch my lane. From the blues of the struggle came the hardwood game. Training day, down in Georgia Clay. Courtney riding through the streets, showing Knox the way. Ain't no suit, ain't no tie, just boots and pride. We grind till the floor shine, that's our life. Ain't no movie script, This the real life film where the grit meets grace and the lights stay dim. That hardwood hum sound like a southern hymn, and the polish in the air gotta shine like a rim. Got the slide guitar crying with the bass line deep, talking about the nights I ain't getting no sleep. Now Knox see the price, he respect the pay. Welcome to the grind, it's Truman's training day. Every sweep, every stroke, got a story to tell. Every scuff mark speak from the times we fell. But we rose with the grain, never lost our flame. Courtney Lee, the wizard, they gon' know that name.
It's training day. It's truth to life. Where the rhythm of the world keep the dream alive. Knox riding shotgun.
All right, guys, check these floors out now. Look how much better these floors look, man. These floors look amazing. Remember those areas right here? Look at that. We added some amber seal back to those areas. Oh, this looks really good. Perfect for a move out. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Yep. Now remember here, we cannot get that out. Those are pet stain. Remember that area that T did, the repair right there, okay? We just filled that. Oh, this looks, oh yeah, look at this, guys. That's nice job, Knox. Nice job. Oh yeah, looks really good. This was a satin finish. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. All right, guys. That's going to do it. See you tomorrow.